ikaw na po ang mahimong sultera sa inabaga. Of course, ikaw pa kayo. Tanan man pa, deserve ko ninyong tawag. Hopefully, magkakita-kita ta sa sultera sa inabaga 2024. Ang sama di ay, basta na ito kong SK Chairwoman Day kung kandidata. Okay, are you ready for your question? Wala na ang kulpa ng gamay? One mo na lang. Okay, you can choose your question, please. Your question is, question number 5. Your question goes like this. What do you hope people take away from your God's message? Anong balik doon? What do you hope people take away from your God's message?
Thank you for your wonderful question. I hope people take from my God's message is, first, I hope every people can appreciate the innovative design and eco-friendly materials. Second, we need to understand that fashion can be both style and responsibilities because recycle